Be adding a socket, a plug for the heated visor and other accessories that plug into that. Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike here with Pine Ridge Garage. Today we're going to be working on this 2010 Rev XP Summit long track. Going to be adding a socket, a plug for the heated visor and other accessories that plug into that. So I've got this kit, factory kit. It's fused. It's got the factory plug adapter, and it's like I say, it's a Skidoo part 860201234. So come along. We're gonna take off the body panels, the seat, and figure out where this thing plugs in at. So stay tuned. These here just slide up and out. So we've got 4 screws, one here, two on the other side. I usually use it for a heated shield, but I've got a heater for inside this handlebar bag, and I'd like to put a heater in there to keep my cell phone, GPS, any of that stuff. Keep it a little bit warmer is what they make a little heater, and it'll plug into that accessory. And if anyone needs to use the heated shield, they can for their helmet. Locking your threaded collar on here.
With new and used boats for sale, as well as storage, repair, and parts. 231-517-0040 or online at dryharbormarine.com.
Listan Incorporated, offering services in air.
Okay, so got all that off. Again, there's a factory plug for this. Gotta find that. So it should be over here on the left hand side. And I've lifted this. I did take that shroud. I unplugged the DES. Took the pair of pliers to take the nut off the choke cable, choke lever. Remove that from this panel. Remove that from this panel. Got that out, unplugged that. Got this all out. So now I gotta find the plug that matches that. That's not it. There's a whole bunch down in here. Here it is. So that was tucked way back into the fuel tank. Alright, got that in. Turned out to be a 3/8 hole for that. Got that on. Now we'll fit this all back in. There. Right there. Bought this heater so I can actually stick it in here. Hopefully everything it'll work. But so let's plug this in. See if it gets warm. We'll start it. It's warm. Not sure how warm yet, but anyways, so that's all completed. Of course, there's in the kit there's looks like an adapter if you needed to go to your helmet. You could extension and unplug it with your helmet, but it's got a little sticker that says what that is. Anyways, all right. Well, got that on. Got that on. Got the plug cap on, so we're good. Okay, so we got that in. That little cute little sticker on there. It says, looks like a helmet symbol. But anyways, so I'll put the seat back on. We'll pick up tools. Put all the side plastic on. So, hope this helps some of you that need to know how to put one of these accessories on for heated shield or other accessories. Like I say, I'm gonna use this little heater in here to keep my GPS, and if I use one, but my cell phone keeps it a little warmer on the trail so they aren't so cold when I use one. But anyways, there's other accessories. Yeah, hope this helps you guys be able to install one of these. Fairly simple. Just got to take some plastic apart, find the right plug, and you're all set. So thanks again. Subscribe, share, like. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Mike signing off.